Dear children, today we will start another chapter, that is children at work. Before you read, there are many reasons why children have to work. Some help their family make a livelihood. Others who run away from unhappy homes need to support themselves. Children who have to work and go to school and play like other children of their age. So this chapter is about all those children who run away from their family and happy homes. And there are various reasons for their running. So Velu, an 11-year-old boy, runs away from home. He wanders around for hours without getting on a train, before getting on a train to Chennai, without a ticket. Tired and hungry, he doesn't know where to go when a stranger at the station shouts a word of welcome. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai Central, it took Velu some time to get off. When he finally stood on the platform, his legs felt wobbly as if he was still on a moving train. So this story is about a boy named Velu, and he is here to board a train and his legs are feeling wobbly, means unstable. Oh, out of the way, a porter went by with a loaded trolley. He jumped aside. He sat on a bench on the platform, putting his small bundle down. And he was traveling with a bundle, bundle like, some kind, like tied up in some clothes, that is known as a bundle. In all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people except once a year at the fair in his village. People walked by, bumping into him with their suitcases. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker. Near him, a group of people sat on their luggage, looking at a TV hanging from the roof. The noise was terrible. So in a way, the author is trying to explain the situation, the things at the station. Generally there would be a loudspeaker blaring, at full sound, and some people would be sitting there, or some would be watching something, so this is the general scene on a platform. Velu put his head down on his knees, feeling miserable and exhausted. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. For 2 days, he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. In his bundle, he carried a shirt, a towel, and a comb. So he was feeling miserable because he was, first of all, a boy of 11 years only. Second, he had never been to such a place, crowded place. Third thing, he has never been to a station before, and he had not eaten anything also. And then we are told what he was carrying in his bundle. He had walked for most of the first day to Kannur and then got on the train to Chennai. Velu had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector didn't come to the unreserved compartment. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night. So now the scene inside a train, he's traveling in a general compartment, how people are just full to the capacity. Some people are playing their cards, some are shouting, and somebody said in a rough voice, "Hey, new to town," and he opened his eyes. And there were a lot of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. He turned around, behind him was a girl around, and suddenly, he saw that there was a girl around his own age, wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. Her hair was stiff and brownish, and she had a huge sack. On one shoulder, she was picking up dirty plastic cups. So now he's introduced to a girl of his own age, and she was picking up plastic cups and all these rags, dirty things from the floor and stuffing them in a sack. So we'll stop here. We'll continue in next video.